Yo, this work shit fucking killing me, bro. First day back, I already need a vacation.
Yeah. You going with Pony? You going with Pony? Wrong car, dog. You going in Pony's car?
Fuck Jeff Bezos, he's such a fucking bitch.
Where we at, bro?
On our way to Vegas.
Let's go.
On our way to Vegas.
You bad, bro?
Bro, stop.
Let's go with Benzie. Hey.
The ball kept calling the two of us and chose to betray our country together.
What the fuck?
Where we at, BT?
Fucking Utah, homie.
What the fuck?
Over here. Just enjoying the time.
Shit.
Yeah, take that.
Let's go. In the front. Fucking Guadi. Aww. You out here with your boys. Oof.
Whatever you finish, you can reheat tomorrow. We're on the microwave.
Let's go. Oh, hell yeah.
Alright, well, I'm watching fucking golf.
Jeez, that old fucking man.
Should I start loading these up in the fridge?
Where's the Wi-Fi receiver at?
The next day.
The homie.
I got the drone.
You got the drone. Let's go. Is she gonna be sick or what?
Obviously, bro.
We out here about to rent out some ATVs. I almost didn't make it. I've been throwing up all day yesterday, all day today. With my lips chapped as fuck. We done. Yo, we out here. We got it. All right. Let's go, bro.
Hey, we should go get a cooler and tie it.
These fuckers dropped all the snacks.
saw, dog. We saw. We saw them on the.
So you always gotta be prepared, yo. Let's go. Hey, what happened? They're looking for the AC. Bro, it's fucked up. Hey, this shit's sick or what? Yeah, let me drive the boat. Damn, dogs. What are you doing in my swamp? Yo, those ATVs were fucking fun as fuck though, for sure. If you guys are in Utah, you guys ever get the chance to rent out some quads, do it, bro. You're not gonna regret it. Tired as a motherfucker, but I'm gonna hit the shower, clean up, and I'll hit you guys up in a bit. See you guys.
We're complimentary and she's looking out for me. I'm gonna go more. Nah, you won.
Oh my god.
I swear to God, DT. Red.
2 hours later.
Yo, we out here river rafting. Started to rain a little bit though. Fuck, we'll still make it. Ain't no worries. Hey, rafting today. Woo, let's get it, boys. Yeah, let's go.
You guys coming down from Whitewater? Go one forward.
The boost, bro. The fucking turbo.
Go one backward.
One back. That's right.
Porter, keep going.
What?
They're not sitting. Back, guys.
Funny thing about the boat, I was originally sitting right there, but we went over a rock or something and I ended up popping the boat. They thought putting a lighter guy on there would help out, but it really didn't. The boat was doomed.
Three forward.
Oh no!
Woo!
Vamos, go forward, go forward.
Go 2 more forward. Woo! Go 2 forward. Go 2 forward. Dile que te pase el video, güey.
Yo, so good thing I didn't take my phone because I fucking fell in like twice. The homie ripped his shirt. Show your armpit. The homie got fucked up. Primo, ¿cómo está? Está chido. And then the homie got the GoPro. A ver. That's right, with the boys. Bro, that shit was sick though. You guys gotta do this, so recommend it 100%. Yo, but if you go, don't wear Air Forces. These shits are soaked. Let's go, racing. Oh, damn. Nah, we didn't beat this bull. He crashed. Hey. All right, guys, just like that, that trip is done. Thank you guys for sticking with me. I hope you guys had fun. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend if you guys liked it. And yeah, don't forget, when you guys come out to Utah, tag me. This shit fun as fuck. Let's go.
Nah, not for you. What the fuck? Nah, dog, you're on timeout. Triangles and shit. Get special shit. Nah, dog.
Let's go. Cheers.
Hey, go. Oh, yeah.
That's right.
What up, Waze? Give us the fucking beer, dog. Fuck that shit. Hey, walk in front of your
Cool. The cruise.
Yeah. My shit doesn't hit all that.
Some random ass dog shows up. What's up, bro?
And he's super well trained.
Hell yeah, that's crazy. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed that one. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share it with a friend if you enjoyed it. And yeah, don't forget to check out my music on Spotify as well. Yo, I fucking love you guys. Thank you guys for allowing me to do this. Thank you guys for always tuning in. I appreciate it so much. Everybody stay safe. I love you guys. Till next time. Get the fuck out of here.